How to fix BeReal try again. Hello everyone, I'm going to show you in this tutorial video how to fix this problem. You just need to follow and watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, don't open your BeReal, go and open your settings of your phone. After that, you have to open apps option. We'll wait until it shows you all the application that you have on your phone. As you see, it's loading right now. So after that, it will show you all the applications. Search only for your BeReal. So right now, search for BeReal and click on it like this, and you have right now to go to your storage option. Click on clear cache. I used it before, that's why I can't click on it right now, and go back. Click on force stop. Now what you should do, go directly to your Play Store and update your BeReal, then restart your phone. That's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in another video.